Hey everybody, Bombs from the Bomb Diggity. Thank you for coming to my 1 year filmaversiary. On this day last year was the very first time I ever shot a video for any kind of, you know, YouTube or anything like that, and trying to start something, something easy like that. Something I like doing. So today, what we're going to be doing is a nice little recipe, not recipe, but just to put together from a cool dude across the pond. I think it's Great Britain or England, not sure. But his name is Kent Survival, and he takes you out and builds different things or different kind of tents he gets, and does a little cookout and everything like that. So over the pandemic, he was one of the guys I watched. You inspired me, bro. So thanks, and just giving you a little shout out back. All right, let's do this. This regular Patrick Cudahy bacon. But right now, I'll show you the little rig I kind of set up. It ain't nothing great. It just gets me through right now. But we got our sterno can with our attachment for our stove. And then I have this just aluminum foil put together just to hold up against it and keep the flame going constant. So that's good. So, well, let you get back to watching food porn of bacon. Now, it should only take a matter of seconds on these. Oh yeah, she's going golden already. Do a 2-lane burrito here. Oh, she died. Keep it going here. Throw a couple pieces of bacon in there. Go for a flip. Oh, baby. I think somebody got it. Oh, can I get it twice? Oh, baby. And here we go, bringing off the egg. There we go. Shut the gas down. Forgot my little mama. As it's cooking, I forgot which way I was wrapping that up. And there you go. Let's take a bite of this bad doggy. See, right there? This is for you, Kent Survival. Thanks for being an inspiration to me. Normally he would have a yolk. That's how he made his. I like when my yolk breaks. Keeps a nice soft texture of the egg inside the burrito. Bite 2. Now what we'll do is we'll come back and take a little walk down by the creek where I used to catch crayfish. And just take a little look-see around and show you the good parts of Regnar Park. So let's go. I used to catch so many crayfish in this creek. Here's our Regnar Park. Right now it's a swimming hole, but it's empty. There's a little splash pad right there. There's walkways. Normally there's a floaty out there where everybody swims to. Right down there. If you go right here, there's our bathhouse. Looks like they're doing a bunch of work to it right now. But that's where you check in, pay your fee, and then you get your ankle tag. You go swimming for the day. Here is just a regular play area and everything like that. Over here and everything, we got pavilions. Bands play there in the summers. And Regnar is pretty hopping on beer gardens, stuff like that. Lots of good old times in the summer. Back there by the globe, that's where we were with the creek. If you follow that road back there where you see them people walking in the white jackets, that takes you right back to the baseball field. I thought it. Well, hey folks, we're over at our new baseball stadium here in West Bend. As we pan through here, the old fence out there used to be a bunch of ivies, and they redid Carl Cuss Memorial Field here. All AstroTurf infield, even the dirt is AstroTurf. That's kind of wild because we played in dirt back then in the 90s. There's a nice dugouts. Those are pretty sharp now. Used to be little brown turd boxes. Not sure if you'll be able to see the West Bend sign, but there you go. Steps here. This is really sharp. I never thought that this field would be like this. No washing of your uniforms except for sweat stains. Oh, balls, man. That would have been so great for my mother back in the 90s. So here we go. We're going to walk over here. Plenty of handicap seating here. Roll them wheelchairs right up for a first seat. See, they got them. Looks like they fit about possibly 20, maybe 16 wheelchairs. That'd be very nice for people in that position, especially to come watch high school baseball. Oh, this is sharp. I got a funny story. Back when, I think it was the 90s, my Uncle Jimmy came back from college, and they have a semi-pro baseball team here called West Bend Company, and they needed a pitcher for the day, so he pitched. Just happened to be my Uncle Tom was back home from Texas, and he sat behind the catcher about 2 rows up and yelled what pitch to throw every single time. And I think my Uncle Jimmy threw like a 3-hitter that day, gave up no earned runs. He was just dynamite. And then Sunday he went back to school. Funny story there. All right, everybody, thanks for coming along with me showing you around Regnar Park. This is kind of like our lake area, along with like a geese area. I think you can fish here. Thanks guys for coming on out on the 1-year filmaversiary for the Bomb Diggity, and let's keep going. Keep liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.